The primary components of a rice bran or processing line include cleaning equipment, expellers, solvent extraction units, refining machinery, and packaging systems. Each component plays a crucial role in determining the final quality and yield of the oil. For instance, advanced refining technologies not only enhance the purity but also extend the shelf life of the product. Brands with established reputations for reliability and efficiency tend to command higher prices. Another factor influencing the price is the level of automation. Fully automated systems reduce labor costs and improve consistency in production, but they require a larger initial investment. Additionally, potential buyers should also consider operational costs such as energy consumption, maintenance requirements, and spare parts availability. Conducting thorough market research and comparing quotes from multiple suppliers will help ensure that you get the best value for your investment. Ultimately,